surgery ready. So this is the brace they have on. Hey guys, good morning. So it is November 6th and it is surgery day. So I just took a shower. I just put that blue thing back in, but I had to take a shower last night and this morning with BD Easy scrub. So I had to do one last night and one this morning. So they look like this. And you have to scrub really good down, work your way down, all the way down. And yeah, so that's done. Can't eat after midnight and nothing. Just clear liquids after that. And then after 7, which is in 15 minutes, I'm not allowed to have anything. So I had some water. I think I'm good, but yeah, so let's hope it all goes well. We'll keep you posted. And also no nail polish, no on my toes or my fingers. What else? I'm trying to think what else. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to wear my hair in a ponytail, but I'm gonna start with that and see if I have to take it out when I go. I don't know. I think I might have to take it off, and I don't think I'm allowed any makeup, so I'm just gonna go fresh-faced and fancy-free. I also have a bath chair and I am going to bring my crutches with me. And I have a walker just in case, like to get me to the bathroom at night, because I'm not going to be able to weight bear. If the surgery goes well, I won't be able to weight bear for 8 weeks, so 6 to 8 weeks. So I do have a walker as well, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, so we're on our way. So my surgery's in Comox, which is the next city from Campbell River. It's like a 40-minute drive. All the surgeons here in Campbell River either weren't taking any more patients, or one was on vacation, and anyway, I don't know. It was quicker for me to come here, so going to Comox. I believe it was God. This is a good, I met the guy, obviously, the surgeon. He seems really good, like he's gonna know, like he knows what he's doing. And so I don't know if I told you this, but I had one orthopedic surgeon, and he, when he looked at it, said it was too complex for him. He said he's done meniscus tear surgeries before, but never the posterior root like mine. So he's the one that recommended that I go to someone who knew more about this type of injury and surgery. So that's why I ended up going to Comox as well. And this guy said he's done them before. He said he's not positive that it's going to be successful, but you know, he's got high hopes. And so just going to leave it up to the Lord right now. And yeah, just pray this will be all behind me soon. Got anything to say, babe?
All the best, babe. Yeah, it got me worrying. I don't know, it's not me, but yeah, it got me a bit worried from yesterday. You know, like knowing the time is creeping up, I'm a bit worried. And what can I do? I just pray, you know, and just leave it to God.
Yeah.
I mean, that's my baby, right? And,
I'm gonna be asleep for like 2 hours, so I think that's the major danger, or maybe get infection. But you know, I did wash with those 2 sponges. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave it all in God's hands at this point. I mean, I don't think He brought me this far to leave me now. I've got a little boy to take care of, you know. I've got my husband, so I think, you know, everything is gonna be good. And But there's always a risk when you go for surgery. But like I said, I'm not worrying. I slept good last night. I was not awake. I did wake up like around 5:30, but still, like I slept all night up until 5:30. So I think that's pretty good. And then I just prayed to God. So I just leave it all in His hands. So anyways, guys, we'll chat back again soon. Peace. Beautiful Campbell River. I love the ocean. If I had to move somewhere where there was no ocean, I would be so sad. But depressed.
That's nice.
This is the hospital. So it's almost 8 o'clock. I gotta be here by 8:15. And my surgery's at 10:15. And I think maybe you can pick me up around 3, but I'll give them your number. So that's it. I'll give them your number so you can pick me up when I'm ready. It's gonna be all right. It's just a knee surgery. So I told him I can go in by myself because I just have to register and go in. So he don't need to be with me. He can go home with Raj and then come back and get me. I got my crutches. So let's see how it goes. Surgery ready. They got 2 things. And this is really weird. So I've got, I don't know. Anyway. So this is really cool. See how this is all puffed up? I was wondering what kind of thing this was, but now I understand. See that hose? It's blowing heat. So I'm getting warm from the hot air coming from this. That's cool. And then they have my arm with a hot towel because they're gonna give me IV in my left arm. So I'm nice and cozy and warm. So guys, I'm gonna do some Ventolin before I get put to sleep, just to make sure my asthma is under control. So I'll talk to you guys when I wake up and surgery is completed. God bless. Hey guys, I'm really tired, but I'm out. My blood pressure is really low, so they're monitoring me, but that's all good. My leg is paining, they gave me more meds. Got a brace on, but I'll show you guys later. You know, they got me all covered up. I'm really struggling to stay awake. Seems like I'm good. I haven't talked to the doctor yet, so I have a brace on. I think they did it and it went well, but I don't know. It was paining really bad, but they gave me some really good meds, so it's feeling comfortable now. And my blood pressure is really low, so yeah, they're gonna just keep monitoring me for a while. cheese. And some water. The cookie was so good. So this is the brace they have on. It's got locks, so I can either lock it straight or bend it. Okay, guys, on my way to the car. Okay, guys, I'm in the car with my hubby.
Successful.
It was, and I did do some videos up until now, but first stop, Tim Hortons. I need my coffee and a bowl of soup. Yummy, yummy. My favorite part of surgery is getting coffee afterwards. So I was really sore when I came to, and I kept falling asleep and waking up, and they said my blood pressure was really low, so they kept me a little longer than, but not really, because they said I could leave at 2 and it's 10 to 3, so they only kept me an extra 50 minutes than what I was anticipating. So yeah, so not in weight bearing. The cast went, or the brace went under my pants, so that's cool. And there's Rajero. Say hi, family. Say hi, family. You just woke up too, Papa? He's not in the mood to talk right now. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna have my coffee and enjoy my soup, and yeah. So guys, the weather's a lot different now than when I came to Comox for my surgery. It's windy and rainy and yeah. So I'm on my way to the pharmacy. Babe's gonna go in and get my pain medication, and then I'm gonna go home and rest because I'm so tired. I feel good since I had my soup. Drinking my coffee. But everybody definitely needs some rest. I'm falling asleep.
Tired, my baby?
So what is it? Naproxen and tramadol or something. That's what they're gonna.
Is those pain medication?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's what it's going to get for me now. So. And then I have to elevate my leg and ice it. Yeah. But yeah, the weather is quite rainy and windy out there. Look at all the views. It's not very often you see our ocean here in Campbell River looking like this.
What? Nothing like that. I don't know where you come from or where you look.
You like looking at the sea, baby? Yeah, look at it. Oh, wow, Papa. It's very... The waves are very big, eh?
Yeah, it's waving.
The waves are waving.
I
Mm-hmm.
think it's the best time to go.
No. Can't go on your scooter today, Papa. So on the way home, Rajero's saying he misses his mommy. He wants to go see his mommy and normally and his grandma. You missing mommy, baby?
And Daddy.
Daddy's right here, though.
He call his grandfather.
Oh, your grandfather, daddy. Yeah.
You wanna go and visit mommy, grandma, and daddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully
Yeah.
December, son.
So what is today? November 6th. So
We'll
he's
make
been
it happen.
here. So yeah, about a month now he's been here. So he's really starting to miss them now.
Guys, and for me personally, when I just get here, I miss everybody too. So, who is him not to miss his mom and his grandma? They've been with him since the day he was born.
Yeah.
I remember crying on the toilet, man. You know, I remember days on days I just sit on the toilet crying for my family in general. I just miss them. I miss everybody. I never knew I could shed tears until that time, you know? It was only me, so Rajero, when he said that, man, I felt it. It's like I got to comfort him right away.
Yeah.
It's like, it's just so hard, like, just looking at him and he's like, Mom, Daddy, I missed. Call his mom normally. His mom is normally. He said, Daddy, I missed normally.
I know. He said, I want to go see normally.
Yeah.
I
So
want to
I'm
go
like,
see
who
normally.
is that? But he didn't say it out clear.
Are
Did
you,
it-
Mom?
He didn't. Yeah.
He's so amazed by this. See, but yeah, he's missing his mommy and his grandmother.
He didn't
Yeah,
say it
he's so amazed by the sea, eh, Papa? Yeah, beautiful.
Rajero, Rajero, don't be surprised tomorrow morning you wake up and it starts snowing, okay? Don't be surprised because this wind is showing something. It's showing some form of sign that it probably snowed tonight or something. It's going crazy.
But it's 10 degrees, so it's really warm. So I don't think snow, babe.
It's foamy.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I don't know. Like, and Canada weather is just so unpredictable, man.
Yeah.
It could be 20. It starts snowing tonight. So.
You want the window down? You want to experience it first? Window down. Uh-huh. You want to experience? You like feeling the wind and the rain? Yeah. Oh, wow. The waves are so white and so
exciting,
foamy
eh?
and frothy. Oh, you got my glasses on. It always makes me laugh.
Am I not looking like a professor?
Yeah, you're looking like a professor. You're gonna hurt your eyes, babe. Oh, you're looking over above, okay. I got medication in me, so I'm gonna be giggling and laughing. Yeah. So, babe, because I can't wait there and it's gonna be like a little bit difficult for me to prepare food and stuff, I'm gonna get you to cook some Irish and some squash and some dumpling, because Rajero could eat a plate of dumpling every day, every meal. He loves his dumpling.
Okay.
And maybe some stewed chicken or something just to put on the side, but just so I got some food in the fridge and I don't have to worry about cooking food,
Mommy, what food here?
because he loves to eat. Yeah, I see, Papa. I see. Look at it. Wow. Yeah. So my dumplings were good. He ate them, but the shape, I gotta perfect the shape and the consistency. But babe, you ate them and you said they were good. They were just,
They just didn't shape.
they just
But-
weren't shaped. Yeah.
They were okay.
They were unique, is what he said. He said the shape was unique.
Like she's catching on. I gotta appreciate that. Not many would try like even try to attempt doing it, and she do it.
I did it twice. First time, babe was like, babe, no, they're kind of raw. You gotta let them cook longer. So I did them the second time, which I did do a vlog on it, and I let them cook long. So, and they do float to the top when they're done. They sink to the bottom, and I just stirred them around so they didn't stick. And yeah. But I watched the video of Babe doing them, and then I watched the video of me doing them. Mine were really sticky. His were not sticking to his hand like me. So I obviously had too much water. But I'm gonna get it, y'all. Don't you worry. I don't give up. I keep trying until I get it right. And I've got 2 Jamaican men to feed, so I gotta learn how to make some dumpling. But how was my beans and saltfish? Was that okay? You said they were a little sweet, but that's because I used maple flavored beans, I think.
Oh, you're okay. Yeah, they're sweetness. It's not like extra sweet.
Yeah. Yeah, because I put maple flavored beans, so. Yeah. So anyway, I'm getting it. I love being a wife. I love being a mother. I love taking care of people. And I love being taken care of, and Babe's taking care of me, so I'm loving that. What?
Love being a queen.
Yes,
Queen.
I'm a passenger princess.
Yeah,
And
I'm tired of driving this car now. It's your time.
yeah. Oh, I'll be driving this standard soon. Don't you worry. As soon as this knee is up and running, I'll be driving this baby.
Guys, she trained me. I know I'm driving her around the streets.
It's a good thing you learned how to drive. I don't know what I would have been doing if you didn't learn how to drive standard. He drives it better than me now. Yes,
God
baby.
bless your heart, babe. You do so much good. I don't know what to do without you, man. Sucks.
You're sweet. We're sweet together. Oh.
I see, eh?
This medication got me for all the emotions. Now I feel like crying because I'm so happy. I just want to run and walk fast and not be in pain. Not feel like my leg is going to slip at a joint. What, Papa? Yeah. This medication got me all loopy. I'm laughing, I'm crying. I just feel so excited right now. Yes. I'm so excited. I've been dealing with this knee issue since February. I'm just over it, you know? I didn't complain. I didn't let it stop me do a whole lot of things. I tried to do everything to the best of my ability. But anyone that knows me, I'm really fast. Like I like to move fast. I like to walk fast. I like to get a lot of things done. I don't like to waste time. And
like she don't got an ounce of old bone in her body. no old bone.
But this knee issue really slowed me down.
Yeah.
It really slowed me down a lot. And I couldn't run, and I couldn't walk fast, and I couldn't go up the stairs fast. It was so slow. So I'm just excited to get things back to normal. I think it's the medication got me all full of emotions.
Oh, you see, as I said before, guys, I used to have to ask her, I used to have to beg her, like, slow down, slow down. Guys, I remember one time I'm cleaning my car and she came with me, right? And I'm there cleaning my car, and it's like in her head I'm moving too slow. She grabbed the brush and grabbed the shovel, and I'm like, you know, it was just crazy, like mind blowing. I'm like, is she a woman or a man? It was just so mind blowing to know that she's moving so fast. Everything she do is just so fast. So, like, I know she feels when she gets emotional because I know where she's coming from, and this injury slows her down drastically, man. It really slows her down, so I can understand.
But you're gonna see me smiling and doing everything, but you know, I don't complain. I just go with the
Greatest thing,
flow.
it was a successful surgery, so that was good. That was really good.
Yeah. Anyways. Okay, guys. So I'm resting in bed. Got a chair with wheels and crutches. I went to the washroom by myself, almost fell. That kind of shook me up a bit. Scary, but I hit my leg, but I didn't weight bear it, so very nervous on these drugs. It got me wobbly and loopy, but babe's here, so.
Yeah, guys, she didn't wait on me.
I know I needed to pee really bad.
Something, and by the time I think she gets so emotional and stuff. But
It scared me. I almost fell. I just don't want to hurt it. It scared me so bad. Oh my gosh, because I hit it on the door, and as I was putting the crutches down to get on the toilet, I lost my balance and I hit my foot to the door, and oh my God, my heart went up my throat. It was so scary. But okay, Papa. But anyway, I'm got it icing and elevated now, and I took my pain meds, so yeah. And now I'm going to sleep. Hey guys, so just a little update. Today is the 8th. So yesterday I rested all day. I just went to the bathroom and back to the bed. My friend Sharon came and probably can't see it, but brought me some flowers. You can't see them because it's dark in here right now. So I'm still icing and elevated. Sharon's gonna come over later. I have to take the tension bandage off today, and I have to wash it and get in the shower. I mean, I washed with a face cloth, but I haven't gotten in the shower yet. The medication got me really loopy and not steady on my feet at all. So Rajero's being really good, guys. Look, he's down there watching his... Say hi to everyone. Rajero, look at the camera and say hi. No? He's being so good, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. Yesterday, not so good, but today, oh, he's so good. I just thank Lord. He wanted to go outside so bad yesterday. He wanted to go in the car, and Akeen's working, and we watched a movie. He did end up settling down, but today, he's just so good today. I'm so thankful. My daughter Jessica is right here. She's helped me a lot today, and Sharon's coming back over, so it was really, really sore today. So I had to take a Tylenol 3 on top of the Naproxen and the Tramadol. It's just, I couldn't even lift it today. It was so painful. But anyway, that's my little update. So I should be taking the brace off for the first time today. It's November 8th, and I will be taking the tension band off. And then I have these little square patches. I gotta clean the back of the leg and put the square patches on. So I'm getting a wheelchair on Monday. Just so it'll be easier for me to move around the house and get him some food, get myself something to eat and stuff like that. So I am using the computer chair right now to wheel myself into the bathroom because I'm just not steady on the crutches at all. And I tried the walker, and when I got back to bed, my leg was just throbbing and hurting. So for whatever reason, the walker was not good. And I'm not steady with the crutches. So it looks like the computer chair at this point is the best thing for me to just use my good leg to wheel me into the bathroom. I went out to the freezer and got some new ice packs. Yeah, so Jess helped me to get Rajero some food this morning. We got him juice, we got him water. Sharon got him some juice and water yesterday, just little bottles and juice boxes. And I had some banana bread buttered up. He ate that. He had a banana. So he's doing good. He's just laying down there watching his show. And Akeen is working, so all is good. But I will check in later after I get this bandage off and maybe even get a picture of what the incisions or the surgery area looks like. So, but right now, icing it and elevating it is definitely, and of course the medication, oh my gosh, like the Tylenol 3 really helped a lot. And I don't really feel like I don't feel too bad, like too loopy or whatever, even though I've got all this medication in me. I just feel like the pain is gone and I can think clearly, and yeah, everything is going good so far. So anyway, I just thought I would check back in. Like I said, it's 2 days since my surgery. It's November 8th. So yeah, anyway, I'll check back in soon. God bless. So it hurts to dangle it. You brushing your teeth, Papa?
Yeah.
Good boy. Do a good job, okay?
Yeah.
Brush really good. All areas, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Gotta keep those teeth clean. Can Mommy brush them too?
Uh-huh.
Mommy gonna do some brushing, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want fish?
You being a good boy today?
Go, 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 go.
I gotta get you a cup. We're gonna get him a cup for brushing his teeth, and also maybe a little stool or something, eh? So you can stand on.
Yeah.
You're so funny. Okay, that's doesn't Papa.
You saw my fun.
You're having fun? I'll be the most funny head in 3 days. Are you gonna lay down and watch your iPad again? Sissy's iPad? Okay, turn the water off, Papa. Turn the water off. That's enough. Good boy. Okay. Now you gotta, here, hold on a second. So I just kind of back my way out. Oh, I'm banging into the shoes. I use my arms too. Oh my goodness gracious. We had to get an extra dresser because of Rajero being here. So we got a dresser here for Akeen and then a dresser here for Raj. So it's like, what happened? Oh, here, Mommy's gonna fix it. Sorry. Here.
Mommy, I want to see.
Yeah, Mommy's gonna get you a sheet. Hold on. Okay. So he wants me to put that over him, so wish me luck here. Oh, Lord. Better? All right. So I'm going to get back into bed. Okay, I'm going to turn this light off.
Mommy,
I know. Hold on. Mommy got to try to get into bed here. Okay. Okay. So that's how I do it. Just go from the chair to the bed. And then I gotta put my leg up here. Put my ice packs underneath. And then one on top. You know, just making it work. That's all I can do. Anyway. Sharon came with soup. I love my friend. So this is what it looks like with the everything off. I'm going to attempt to go in the shower now and wash it and change it. So this is what it looks like with the bandage off.
You could.
Okay, guys, I'm all showered up and new bandages on. I had to put 2 Band-Aids because they only gave me 2 of these, and there was a big incision right there that wasn't covered. And if I'm going to be icing my knee, I didn't want that exposed. But anyway, there we go. And Sharon changed my bed sheets, so fresh and clean sheets, all showered up, clean clothes, feeling wonderful. I had to take another Tylenol 3, and I took a what do you call it, Tramadol, but I'm gonna do the naproxen tonight. It's once every 12 hours, so I have to wait till like 9:30, 10 o'clock for that. So that's once in the night and once in the morning, so that's for the swelling and the inflammation. So anyway, all is good. He's watching TV. He's happy. We're all happy. What? Are we happy?
yeah.
Oh, I love you. Are my kisses off? He wipes everyone's kisses off. Do you wipe everyone's kisses off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Let me kiss yours. Mwah.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I say no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?